Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlet Guide. I am Saurav Rogle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic Pied Beauty by G.M. Hopkins on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Bahasaheb Rogle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe our channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Pied Beauty is one of the popular poems of dash dash. The options are A. Gerard Manley Hopkins, B. John Keats, C. W.B. Yeats, or D. Sarojini Naidu. The correct option is A. Gerard Manley Hopkins. Question number 2. What is the lifespan of G.M. Hopkins? The options are A. 28 July 1744 to 8 June 1789, B. 28 July 1842 to 8 June 1887, C. 28 July 1944 to 8 June 1989, or D. 28 July 1844 to 8 June 1889. The correct option is D. 28 July 1844 to 8 June 1889. Question number 3. G.M. Hopkins died at the age of dash dash. The options are A. 78, B. 44, C. 87, or D. 38. The correct option is B. 44. Question number 4. G.M. Hopkins is widely regarded as the greatest poet of the dash dash age. The options are A. Romantic, B. Modern, C. Victorian, or D. Elizabethan. The correct option is C. Victorian. Question number 5. G.M. Hopkins is also called a poet of religion and dash dash. The options are A. Philosophy, B. Nature, C. Moral, or D. Faith. The correct option is B. Nature. Question number 6. What type of imagery G.M. Hopkins used in his poetry? The options are A. Simple yet intricate, B. Complex and difficult, C. Hard and problematic, or D. Tricky and delicate. The correct option is A. Simple yet intricate. Question number 7. G.M. Hopkins studied classic at Balliol College dash dash, and here he became a prolific or creative poet. The options are A. Harvard, B. Cambridge, C. Oxford, or D. Chicago. The correct option is C. Oxford. Question number 8. When was Pied Beauty written? The options are A. 1870, B. 1872, C. 1877, or D. 1878. The correct option is C. 1877. Question number 9. When was Pied Beauty published? The options are A. 1919, B. 1918, C. 1916, or D. 1925. The correct option is B. 1918. Question number 10. Who published G.M. Hopkins' poems after his death? The options are A. His friend Thomas Becket, B. His friend John Henry Newman, C. His friend Robert Bridges, or D. His friend Robert Burns. The correct option is C. His friend Robert Bridges. Question number 11. Which rhythm was designed or discovered by G.M. Hopkins to imitate the patterns of natural speech? The options are A. Flowing rhythm, B. Progressive rhythm, C. Random rhythm, or D. Sprung rhythm. The correct option is D. Sprung rhythm. Question number 12. Pied Beauty, As Kingfishers Catch Fire, and dash dash are some of G.M. Hopkins' popular poems. The options are A. The Windfall, B. The wind hover, C. The whirling wind, or D. The wind and the water. The correct option is B. The wind hover. Question number 13. The poem Pied Beauty contains two stanzas with dash dash lines. The options are A. 10 and half, B. 12, C. 14, or D. 16. The correct option is A. 10 and half. Question number 14. Whom does the narrator praise in the poem Pied Beauty? The options are A. Nature, B. Flower, C. Beloved, or D. God. The correct option is D. God. Question number 15. Who invented a curdle sonnet? The options are A. G.M. Hopkins' friend, B. G.N. Hopkins' teacher, C. G.M. Hopkins, or D. G.M. Hopkins' wife. The correct option is C. G.M. Hopkins. Question number 16. What is a curdle sonnet? The options are A. A sonnet of 10 and half lines, B. A sonnet of 14 and half lines, C. A sonnet of 14 lines, or D. A sonnet of 16 lines. The correct option is A. A sonnet of 10 and half lines. Question 17. Who is the father founder of sonnet? The options are A. John Milton, B. G.M. Hopkins, C. Shakespeare, or D. Italian Renaissance poet Petrarch. The correct option is D. Italian Renaissance poet Petrarch. Question 18. A curdle sonnet is exactly dash dash of the Petrarchan sonnet. The options are A. Half, B. 3/4, C. Double, or D. 2/4. The correct option is B. 3/4. Question 19. What is the theme of the poem Pied Beauty? The options are A. Materialistic beauty, B. Classical beauty, C. Glorification of God, or D. Beauty of the nature. The correct option is C. Glorification of God. Question 20. Glory be to dash dash for dappled things in Pied Beauty. The options are A. Hopkins, B. Human being, C. Nature, or D. God. The correct option is D. God. Question 21. The meaning of dappled in Pied Beauty is dash dash. The options are A. Dropped, B. Marking of spots or round patches, C. Nature, or D. God. The correct option is B. Marking of spots or round patches. Question 22. Who is called father in the poem Pied Beauty? The options are A. Old person, B. Creator or God, C. Priest, or D. Pope. The correct option is B. Creator or God. Question 23. Hopkins was deeply impressed with the work of dash dash. The options are A. Christina Rossetti, B. Catherine Hopkins, C. Robert Burns, or D. Rabindranath Tagore. The correct option is A. Christina Rossetti. Question 24. G.M. Hopkins became a dash dash. The options are A. English Catholic priest, B. Roman Protestant priest, C. Roman Catholic priest, or D. Roman Catholic virgin. The correct option is C. Roman Catholic priest. Question 25. In the opening lines of Pied Beauty, Hopkins plays his homage to God for having created dash dash in this world. The options are A. The sky, B. Dappled things, C. Flowers, or D. Landscape. The correct option is B. Dappled things. Question 26. What do you mean by pied? The options are A. Pretty, B. Lovely, C. Attractive, or D. Multicolored. The correct option is D. Multicolored. Question 27. In the second line of the poem, through simile, G.M. Hopkins compares skies with dash. The options are A. Parrot, B. Peacock, C. Cow's skin pattern, or D. Nightingale. The correct option is C. Cow's skin pattern. Question 28. Hopkins has posed a dash in the opening line of the second stanza to emphasize his point. The options are A. Rhetorical question, B. Simile, C. Personification, or D. Metaphor. The correct option is A. Rhetorical questions. Question 29. With swift, slow, sweet, sour, dazzle, dim. Here, repetition of sounds S and D indicate dash figures of speech. The options are metonymy, B. Metaphor, C. Personification, or D. Alliteration. The correct option is D. Alliteration. Question 30. Fold, fallow, and plough in Pied Beauty speaks of dash. The options are A. Industry, B. Farming, C. Trade, or D. Art. The correct option is B. Farming. Question 31. In Pied Beauty, finches means dash of the bird finch. The options are A. Multicolored wings, B. Multicolored crest, C. Multicolored beak, or D. Multicolored legs. The correct option is A. Multicolored wings. Question 32. What word is used for uncultivated land in Pied Beauty? The options are A. Fallow, B. Fold, C. Plotted, or D. Tackle. The correct option is A. Fallow. Question 33. What do you mean by rose moles used in Pied Beauty? The options are A. Colors of rose, B. Colors of flowers, C. Colored spots of trout fish, or D. Multicolored rose. The correct option is C. Colored spots of trout fish. Question 34. The last line of Pied Beauty contains two words. Praise him. Here him means dash. The options are A. Nature, B. Rose, C. God, or D. Hopkins. The correct option is C. God. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe if you haven't.